Hey, Dr. Lucas Marchand, the house call chiropractor here in Sioux Falls, and today I want to talk about what to do after the adjustment. Now, it's kind of old school. I always recommend this to my patients. It's perfect with house calls, is after I have them get adjusted, I want them to rest for 20 minutes. Just take a nap. Take it easy. Don't go back to your whatever you're doing it for if you can, okay? It's kind of old school. That's what a lot of old school chiropractors used to do. But if you can imagine people rushing into the clinic, sitting in a chair all day, sitting in traffic, getting adjusted, going back to that life. I mean, all that stuff is enough to undo the work that we did in our appointment. So I want you to rest after your adjustment, let the muscles kind of relax, let everything kind of just, your nervous system kind of recalibrate, and then go back into your day. So I hope that helps. I hope that makes sense. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.